Hi, welcome back. I am in Blizzard Beach. I haven't been here since they added the new decorations for Frozen. So I just wanted to see the park with the new stuff. So let's go in. This is kind of cute. There it is. Summit Plummet. Not gonna lie, that's one of the scariest things that I have ever done in Disney World. When you get up there, you can see like Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and like everything. They have a dance party in here. I feel like if you know me, I've always commented, I wish that this park was everything to Frozen. I want the entire thing, not just this. This is so cute. That was kind of cute, the Frozen area. But before I get wet, I'm gonna go and get an ice cream because I'm craving an ice cream very bad. I don't know why. I got my ice cream. It's very good. Now that I thought about it, I just had an ice cream. Probably wasn't the brightest idea, but we'll see. Hopefully I don't puke. Let's do it. First one. This is my favorite thing of this park, but the scariest one. You can see all of Animal Kingdom, Pandora, Tree of Life, Everest, Hollywood Studios, Galaxy's Edge. You can see the Contemporary and the castle and everything from here. I have the biggest wedgie of my life. I'm gonna go up there and do the other slides because I've never done them before. Let's do Slush Gusher. You can try a It was kind of nice to come here and see all the new additions that they did for Blizzard Beach. Honestly, it's probably one of, if not my favorite water park. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and doing everything that you choose. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.